The drowned library of Dura Europos rises from the river Merk as divers trace torches along salt-hardened shelves, and the air hums with a voice from the past. Hidden scrolls speak in water and time. In a torchlit chamber, a fractured temple wall, fish scales on mosaic saints, and the distant clash of siege drums frame a city that never sleeps as its last secret stares back. The tomb-like hush holds painted walls reveal early Christian communities as ink turns to coral and memory to rumor. What if Rome and Parthia shared knowledge and a single scroll rewrote loyalties? The final note flickers into silence as rain slides down the stone while a single bell tolls. Silence after floods of ink and water,